start with a smooth mover in the grass. Can you guess who slithers without legs?
Slither goes the snake, quiet on the ground, twisting through the grass without a single sound. Look at all the colors on its shiny, scaly skin. Here comes Mr. Snake, watch that silly grin. Here come two climbers, one super quick, and the other's a tiny wall walker. Climbing up a rock is a sneaky lizard, fast little feet and a tongue like a wizard. Gecko's got toes that can stick to the wall, tiny and tricky and not very tall. Now let's hop into the pond and meet some water-loving friends. Frog goes ribbit on a lily pad, jumping so high when he's feeling glad. Toad likes mud and a shady log, croaking in the night with his buddy Frog. This next pal is slow and steady, carrying his house on his back. Turtle takes it slow with a shell on its back, marching down the trail on a leafy track. He loves the sun and a muddy stream, gliding through water like in a dream. Watch out! Here come the swamp's strongest swimmers. Crocodile Smile is toothy and wide, swimming in the river with a splashy glide. Alligator's tough with a powerful tail, sliding through the swamp, leaving a trail. Let's end with two tiny critters who love the rain and shade. Salamander slick and loves the rain, wiggling his tail down a garden lane. Last is the newt, so gentle and small, with bright little spots and legs that crawl. Reptiles, amphibians, big and small, let's clap, jump and sing with them all. Scales or slime, they've got their charm, from jungle to swamp to your backyard farm. Slither the splash and scale, hooray! Let's sing with